Mhm. Hello, my friend. How are you today? Are you okay? Yes? Thank you so much. Me too. I'm very, very fine. And I'm happy to come back to our channel today. Yes, for learning as usual. Yes, of course. Thank you. Today we have a new topic also. Yes, we are now learning about daily routine or timetable or schedule. Yes, what you do from the morning when you wake up until when you go back to sleep, evening there. Yes, those actions, how you do those actions. So use Kinyarwanda and English. Okay? Yes. Do you have daily routine? Do you have timetable of a day? Yes? Okay. Let us now see it in English and Kinyarwanda. Yes? When did you wake up? When did you wake up? It depends of the day. I don't know, but let us now try to clarify it, to see how we can say it in Kinyarwanda. Yes, uyu munsi tugiye kureba icyo bita gahunda y'umunsi. Ibyo ntabwo byishe amashini. Tugiye kureba icyo bita gahunda y'umunsi. Guhera mu gitondo ubyutse tukageza nimugoroba ugiye kuryama. Turakoresha English and Kinyarwanda. Yes? Thank you so much. So, for example, let's take the day of Saturday. Yes, the day of Saturday or the day of Sunday. Yeah, first of all, let us take the day of Sunday. Let us use Sunday. Okay? Yes, reka dukoreshe umunsi wo ku cyumweru. Sunday. What do you do Sunday? What do you do Sunday? Ku cyumweru ukora iki? Bigenda gute? Ubyuka ryari? Ugakora iki kugeza nijoro ugiye kuryama? It means at the end of this lesson, you will be able to do your schedule or your daily routine. Okay? Let us now tell you this the mind. Let me say the mind. Yes? Yes, and then later you can make yours. Yes? Are you together? Are you ready? In Kinyarwanda I'm saying reka uyu munsi dufate gahunda y'umunsi wa ku cyumweru. Turafata gahunda, urugero gahunda yanjye. Hanyuma nyuma nawe uze kuba washobora gukora gahunda nawe yawe in Kinyarwanda. Yes? Uriteguye? Are you ready? Thank you so much. Sunday, I wake up at 6 a.m. Sunday, I wake up at 6 a.m. When I say 6 a.m., it is 6 in the morning. Yes? I'm saying in Kinyarwanda, I'm saying ku cyumweru mbyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. Can you repeat? Ku cyumweru mbyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. Yes? Can you repeat? Ku cyumweru mbyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. Which means in English, on Sunday, I wake up at 6 a.m. That is the meaning. Ku cyumweru mbyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. Thank you so much. That is very, very clear. After I pray. Do you know praying? So it is known that when we wake up, we pray. Yes? I wake up and I pray. I pray for 20 minutes. Yes? Let us see the meaning of Kinyarwanda. Iyo mbyutse izo saha saa 12 za mu gitondo ndasenga. To pray. To pray is gusenga. Ndabyuka saa 12 ngasenga. Can you repeat? Ndabyuka saa 12 ngasenga. How many minutes? Ngasenga iminota 20. 20 minutes. Ngasenga iminota 20. What I do after praying? After praying, I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. To the bathroom. Yes? Nyuma yo gusenga saa 12 n'iminota 20 njya koga. Njya koga mu bwogero, in the bathroom. Njya koga. Are we together? Can you repeat it? Njya koga. Njya koga. Yes, bathroom. What I do after that action? Okay? Then I go and I put on my clothes. Okay? Ndagenda nkambara imyenda. Okay? Repeat. Maze koga ndagenda nkambara imyenda. To wear clothes. Yes? After wearing clothes, what I do? What the next? What's the next? The next is to go to church. I go to church. Okay? Do you know? On Sunday is the day of praying. I continue now to the church. Okay? The church starts at 7 a.m. 7 o'clock. The church starts at 7 o'clock. 7 a.m. Yes? Let us now try to say it in Kinyarwanda. Maze kwambara njya gusenga mu kiliziya cyangwa se mu rusengero. It depends on your church. Okay? Nyuma yo kwambara njya gusenga mu rusengero. Reka tubivuge gutyo. Njya gusenga mu rusengero. Yes? Mu rusengero amateraniro atangira saa 1. Saa 1 yuzuye mu gitondo. Gusenga bitangira saa 1 za mu gitondo, saa 1 yuzuye. Can you repeat the sentence? Yes? Try, please repeat after me. Nyuma yo kwambara njya gusenga mu rusengero. Gusenga bitangira saa 1. Repeat. Thank you so much. Turasenga tukageza saa 3. Church starts at 7 a.m. until 9 a.m. or from 7 up to 9 a.m. That is the church. Okay? Senga guhera saa moya tukageza saa tatu za mu gitondo. Can you repeat it? Yes? Dusenga guhera saa moya kugeza saa tatu za mu gitondo. Thank you so much. After praying, what I do? What can I do there? After praying, I come back home. After praying, I come back home. And I reach home at 10 a.m. 10 o'clock. I reach home at 10 a.m. or at 10 o'clock. Yes? So, let us try to say it in Kinyarwanda. Let us now try to say it in Kinyarwanda. Turasenga tukageza saa ngahe? Saa tatu za mu gitondo. Nyuma yo gusenga ngaruka mu rugo. Nyuma yo gusenga ngaruka mu rugo. Okay? Nyuma yo gusenga ngaruka mu rugo. I come back home. Ngaruka mu rugo. Repeat. Ngaruka mu rugo. Thank you so much. Ese ubu turi live? Bisanzwe? Okay? Nyuma yo gusenga ngaruka mu rugo. Which time? At 10 o'clock. Mu Kinyarwanda ngaruka mu rugo saa tatu, nkagera mu rugo saa yine. Nkagera mu rugo saa yine. 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. Saa yine za mu gitondo. Yes? Thank you so much. Urakoze cyane. What I do, what can I do when I come back home at 10 o'clock? So, when I come back home at 10 o'clock, I start cooking. To cook. I start to cook or I start cooking. Are we together? Thank you so much. Let us try to say it in Kinyarwanda. Iyo ngeze mu rugo bibaye saa yine hakurikiraho guteka. Hakurikiraho iki? Guteka. Guteka means cooking. Cooking. Guteka. Are you together? Can you repeat? Iyo ngeze mu rugo hakurikiraho guteka. Hakurikiraho guteka. Thank you so much. After cooking, there now it is like at 11 a.m. Or 12 p.m. Yes, at 12 p.m. Let's say 12 p.m. So that was the time for cooking. Let's try to say it in Kinyarwanda. Ntangiye guteka saa yine kugeza saa sita z'amanywa. Saa sita z'amanywa. Yes, that is now saa sita z'amanywa. Or 12 p.m. After cooking, so we have lunch. We have lunch. It's time for lunch. We have lunch. Or we take lunch. Yes? Can you please say it in Kinyarwanda? Iyo tumaze guteka ni igihe cyo gufata amafunguro ya saa sita yo ku manywa, our lunch. Lunch, amafunguro yo ku manywa, amafunguro yo ku manywa. Can you repeat? Turateka tukageza saa sita, hanyuma tugafata amafunguro. Repeat. Yes. Turateka saa sita tugafata amafunguro. Yes. All together. Thank you so much. So after eating or after taking the lunch, what do we do? What do we do there? After eating or having lunch? It is now at 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. or at 1 o'clock. Okay? So here I watch TV. I watch TV or television. We watch television. Yes? From 1 p.m. up to 3 p.m. watching television. Okay? Can you please say it in Kinyarwanda? Iyo tumaze kurya saa saba z'amanywa tureba televiziyo. Televiziyo in Kinyarwanda is insakazamashusho. Can you repeat that word? Insakazamashusho. Insakazamashusho. Yes? Thank you so much. Iyo tumaze kurya saa saba z'amanywa dukora iki? Tureba insakazamashusho. Insakazamashusho. Okay? Twamara kureba insakazamashusho dukora iki? There it is in Kinyarwanda. Let us now use English. There it is watching television. Watching television. Okay? Thank you so much. After watching television, what do we do? After watching television, what do we do? After watching the television, what do we do? After watching the television, I go to sport. I go to sport. Do you know sport? Do you like sport? Yes or not? Do you know sport or do you like sport? Yes? Thank you so much. When we finish to watch television, we go to sport. Doing sport. Okay? Let us now try to say it in Kinyarwanda. Okay? In Kinyarwanda, it is like this. Iyo tumaze kureba television, tujya gukora siporo. Iyo tumaze kureba television, iyi envelope yishyira aho ngaho. Iyo ushobora kugenda ugasanga uzamvugishije kuri telefone. Okay. Yes. Iyo turangije kugira gute? Kureba televiziyo cyangwa se insakazamashusho, dukora iki? Duhita tujya muri siporo. Do you know how we call sport in Kinyarwanda? Simply using sport or imyitozo ngororamubiri. Or imyitozo ngororamubiri. mubiri. Hmm? Yes? Thank you. Can you please repeat it? Can you please repeat it? Imyitozo ngororamubiri. Yes? Aha. Imyitozo ngororamubiri iyo tumaze kuyikora dukora iki? So let us first see. After doing sport, we come back home and we go to the bathroom also. Okay? Having bathroom. Yes? Okay? Are you together there? Which time there? It is now at 4. It is now at 4 p.m. Yes? Dukora imyitozo ngororamubiri or dukora siporo kugeza saa 10. Please repeat. Imyitozo ngororamubiri or siporo tukageza saa 10. Repeat. Dukora siporo kugeza saa 10. This is the same. Nyuma ya siporo dukora iki? Nyuma ya siporo tujya gukaraba, tujya koga mu bwogero. Tujya koga. Okay? Thank you so much. Iyo tumaze koga se dukora iki? Can you please repeat? Iyo tumaze koga dukora iki? Then we start also cooking. It is now at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. we start also cooking. Cooking our supper. Cooking our supper. Are we together there? Start cooking the supper. Yes? Let us try to say it in Kinyarwanda. Iyo tumaze koga dutangira guteka amafunguro y'umugoroba. Can you repeat? Iyo tumaze koga dutangira gufata amafunguro, dutangira guteka amafunguro y'umugoroba. Okay? Thank you so much. Amafunguro y'umugoroba. Can you repeat it? Amafunguro y'umugoroba. Amafunguro y'umugoroba. Thank you so much. We cook the supper until 7 p.m. We cook the supper until 7 p.m. From 5 p.m. until 7 p.m. Are we together? You too, is it like that or not? Is it the same or different? I don't know. But we cook from 5 up to 7 p.m. 5 p.m., 7 p.m. Yes? Let us now try to put it in Kinyarwanda. Dutangira guteka amafunguro y'umugoroba guhera saa 11 z'umugoroba kugeza saa 1 z'umugoroba. Yes? Try to repeat, please. It's very simple. Dutangira guteka amafunguro y'umugoroba guhera saa 11 z'umugoroba kugeza saa 1 z'umugoroba. Yes? Thank you so much. After cooking, what do we do? What do we do? Is now